Hello everyone, so this is Dinesh. So in this video I'm going to show you about Google My Business. So obviously you are going to learn the Google My Business tutorial. Um, I am going to create one Google My Business profile for one of the website and show you like how to get it verified and optimize it to perform well in the Google search results. So let's get started. So I'm just going to Google My Business. Just search for Google My Business and land on this website. So here you can create the new business listing for your business. So what I'm going to do is that here there will be an option called manage now, but we are going to create new business. So I'm going to sign in with my Gmail. I'm just going to click on sign in. So basically you need to either have the Gmail to create this Google My Business profile. So actually I'm going to create a new business profile for this website. So this is one of the client website. So we have got this domain rubbishremoval.london and hosted in Secohost app. And like we have designed this site using developers at Click2, and we are going to now I'm going to create Google My Business profile for this website. So this is the brand name going after. It's a keyword targeted brand name. So I'm just going to give us rubbish removal London. So this is the brand name. So you can see it asks for like create a business with this name. So this is what I'm going to do. So I have created I'm in the first step now of creating the Google My Business profile. So now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to need to select the category for this. So this is rubbish removal. So we can have the category like waste clearance company, waste collection service, or let me check if we have rubbish removal. This would be the best option. So I'm just going to select that, and so in the next step it will ask whether you need to have the location for this business. So this depends on your business. In case if you are having the online e-commerce store, then you may not have the physical location, but in our case, like this company has a physical location, so I'm just going to give yes, this location. So I'm going to select this as, and so in the next step we will be adding the address. So here this company is located in UK, so I'm just going to add the details now, address details. So this needs to be proper. So since this is the address, I have already saved it here. So city is London, and postcode is, this is the postcode W1W5PF. So I'm just going to select this and click on next. So you can see there are already lot of some other companies in this business. I mean near to this address. So it's Google prompts like whether we are related to that company. So we are not. We are going to create as a new thing. So I'm just going to ignore this and select as none of these. So you provide deliveries or home or not. Actually, this depends. This also depends on your business. So since this is a rubbish removal niche, we will be visiting the client's customers place, and we will be offering the service. So I'm going to select the as yes. So you can let them link to go. So I'm just going to select this as yes. So these are service areas. You can add it as optional. So I'm just going to give it as London at the moment. Later we can add new places. So it asks for the contact number. So this is the contact number I'm going to add, and the website URL. This is the website URL. So basically, having the proper optimization, like it will help the customer to discover your business in a better way. So literally we are in the final stage of creating this profile. So this is not much complicated. It's very simple. You can just you need to enter the business details properly what Google is asking for. So this is the email address which we have created. So Google will send the verification code now. So I have already having the email logged in. So I'm going to go to the email and just select get the verification code from Google. So the 21079. So this is the verification code. So you can, because you need to, Google need to confirm you like you are a real business owner of this particular business. Google will ask for some verification purpose like this. This time they have sent the code to email. In some cases they will send the code directly to your postal address, and you need to enter here to get verified. So you can see like Google is telling like you are now verified. So I'm just going to now click on next, and I'm into the website, sorry, the profile of the Google My Business. So now you can just add more services and optimize this profile. So far in this video you have learned like how to create a Google My Business profile. Now I'm going to show you like how to optimize the Google My Business profile in a perfect way to rank it on the Google search results. So we can add more services. I'm going to add customer services. Like even these are the suggestions. So I'm going to select these services because we are offering this. Also, I'm going to actually these are already selected. Even we can add new services like even you can add this later also, but you should be capable enough to add all the services you are actually planning to offer. So this asks for the operating hours of the business. So actually we are this business runs 24/7. So I'm just going to select all these things and click on next. It's asked for the times. So I'm just going to give us 24 hours since they are offering the service 24/7 in London. So because you need to make the profile perfect, so only then the customers can able to find it properly. So it's asked for the description. So here you can see like there's a trick here. So while adding the description, I have just tried to add keywords here. So you can see rubbish removal, waste clearance, junk removal. I have embedded all these keywords. So even you can make the description more brief. So I just give a small description for now, and I'm just going to move on to the next step. So it asks for the photo of your business. So basically we have the, I'm going to just add the logo for now. Even later you can optimize these things, but it's always better to have these things perfect. So I have just added the logo. Even if your business is about like maybe interior design company or those kind of things, then you need to add more pictures so that the customers will be more attractive when they see your profile. So you can see it shows like literally we have completed all the steps in the Google My Business profile tutorial. So I'm just going to go to the final step. So that's it. So actually like within 5 minutes of time from the scratch we have completed creating the Google My Business profile for a rubbish removal website in UK. So this is very simple, but still there are a lot of things to be optimized to make it better and perform well on the Google search results. So let me take you one by one. So first is the info about your business. So basically I have added all the things in the while creating the profile itself, but still I'm going to show you a small quick recap. So you can just have a good idea like how to make it better. So you can see the business name is Rubbish Removal London. Now I'm going to still optimize this name. So I'm going to have more keywords to target here. So obviously this is the brand name Rubbish Removal London, but still I'm going to have the keywords in the title to make it more discoverable for the users. So I'm just having like waste. So in this case, you can see like I have covered literally all the rubbish removal related keywords in this title. So basically I have, even if user searches for rubbish collection company, rubbish clearance company, rubbish removal company, all these are covered in this title tag. I have given rubbish removal London, waste clearance and collection company. So ideally like different combinations will apply here when the user tries to search from different perspective. So this is how like you need to give the title. So luckily our brand name itself has the keyword, so that's the big positive for this thing. So this is the address. So service areas, even you can add more if you need. So you can add more service areas if you need, like. But at the moment, I'm just going to leave because I need to do some research to find the best cities. So at the moment, I'm just going to leave it as London. So that is the main city we are focusing on, Central London. So that is done. So service hours is done. And also this is the phone number. So if you have any products, in case if you are a e-commerce site, you can add here. Service wise, I have already added here some services. Still, you can add more if you need, like. So actually even here you can add the prices as well. So at the moment I'm just going to show you for one small one service. So because if I do for all these service it will take time. So I'm just going to do it for this residential waste clearance, and I'm going to give it as price, starting price maybe from 100 pounds. So later I will confirm this with client and update it. So this is given. So if you like, you can see for this residential waste clearance, we are offering services from 100 pounds. So and I'm just giving the small description. So I'm just saving it. Similarly, you can add the price for all these services. So like customers before contacting you, they will have a rough idea about the pricing what you are offering. So there will be no confusion in later in the thing. So this is done. So we already added the website, so that is fine. So ideally, like we have given everything for this rubbish removal related Google My Business profile. We have given like all the optimization done properly. So the main thing while creating the Google My Business profile, you should try to have the keywords in the title in the best optimal way. On the other hand, you should not stuff the keywords too much. So that's the main thing. So this is done. So in this video, hopefully, I hope like you have learned like how to create a Google My Business profile from the scratch, get it verified and optimize it perfectly to perform well on the Google search results. So if you have any questions, you can just drop it in the comment section. Even I can able to cover it in the upcoming videos. Thank you.